welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 365 Skill Approach, Chapter 3 Skill Review 3.2. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course help on my WhatsApp link and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. You can easily contact me through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft Word, and all Microsoft PowerPoint, and all Microsoft Access with A plus grade. And other courses like MATLAB Accounting, MATLAB Finance, MATLAB Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. If you need help in any class and if you want to deal for any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email, and I will do for you with A plus grade. So we will go to MC Grahil Simnet and we will go to Excel path. Excel 365 Skill Approach Chapter 3 Skill Review 3.2. We will click on this project. So you can see Skill Review 3.2 Project Skill Review. So the title of project, you can see here the title of project Excel 365 Skill Approach Chapter 3 Skill Review 3.2. Download, click the start file link, then complete the project using the instruction below. Required start file and optional solution. Simply we will click on start file, file download wizard. Okay, use the file download wizard. We will click on file download wizard. The file will be downloaded in our PC download folder. We will go to our laptop download folder. This file will be downloaded also. Skill need this project. You can see this all skill need with this project using date and time function, using concat to combine text, formatting text using function, creating formulas using counting function. You can see this all skill covered in this project. So I'm going to opening my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from MCGRAL Simnet website. Click on enable editing button first. Okay. You can see this all skill covered. So step to complete this project is here. Mark the step as checked when you complete them. Open the start file Excel 2024-32 skill review. The file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name of director to show your instructor and save it. Question number 2 is that if the workbook opens in protected view, click the enable editing button in the message bar at the top of the workbook so you can modify it. You can see and you have see I have also done this point. I have clicked on enable editing button. So because my file was in protected view, so I am going to do question number 3 of this project. This is the question number 3 of this project. Take a look at the two sheets. The first sheet contains the student name and their score. The second sheet we use to look up the letter grade for each student. Okay. So moving on, question number 4. On the score worksheet, enter a function in cell B3 to display the current date and time. On the score worksheet, enter a function in cell B3 to display the current date and time. Okay, we will go to cell B3 in the score worksheet. Click on cell B3. Press is equal to and go to the formulas tab in the function library group. Click on date and time and we will enter today function. Now function. Click on OK button. Where is current date and time? We will have to enter must now function. So if necessary, click score worksheet tab, click cell B3. I have done this. Now function. So question number 5. The first column should display the full student name. Use concat to combine the value from the first name and last name column. So click on cell A10. We will click on cell A10. Press is equal to on the formula tab in the function library group. Click the text button and select concat. On the formulas tab, we will go to formulas tab We will find formula tab. You can see I am also in formula tab and go to the function library group. Click on date and time button. Or we will drag the enter concat function. Press is equal to enter concat function. Double click on this blue box. So I have enter a concat function. So click cell C10 to enter the cell reference in text 1 argument box. Click cell C10 to enter the cell reference in text 1 argument box. We will open this function arguments and text 1 is click on cell C10. So press tab to move the text 2 argument, then we will type this semicolon to place a space between the first and last name. Press tab to move the text 3 argument box. Click cell B10 to enter the text reference. In the text 3 argument box, click OK. The completed formula should look you can see this formula is looking in instruction. Press is equal to concat into C10 and comma and in inverted commas and then again comma and enter I10 and press enter. Okay. So press tab and go to text 2, press is equal to enter inverted commas, go press, then we will press tab and go to text 3 box. Click cell B10 to enter the reference and click cell B10. Okay. And press tab to move the text 3 argument box. Click cell B10 to enter the text reference in the text 3 argument box. Click OK to complete the formula should look like this. So we will click on OK button. Okay, it will be show student names. So moving on, question number 6, add the proper function to the formula so student names do not appear in all uppercase. Double click cell A10 to edit the formula. Okay, create a nested formula by typing proper into between these equal to symbol and concat. Point C, type another at the end of formula. So point D, press enter. The completed formula should look like this. Okay. We will simply copy this formula and we will enter this formula as here. Or we will enter myself. You can see. First we will double click in cell A10 to add the formula. Okay. Okay, proper. We will create a nested formula by typing proper into concat and C10 and same. Okay. We will press enter. Now it shows student name. So point is that copy the formula from cell A10 to cell A11 to 26 to fill the list of student name. Use any method you want. Okay. Copy the formulas A11 to A26. Okay. All student name is shown in column A right now. So I am going to do question number 7 because I have done 6 questions of this project so far. Question number 7 is that count the number of students to calculate the class size. Click cell B2, type is equal to count function, double click count A in the formula autocomplete list. Click cell B10 and drag to cell B26. Press enter. The completed formula should look like this: count A into B10 to B26. Okay. Whereas is equal to into count A function. So click cell B10. Click cell B10. Drag to B26 and we will press close the bracket and press enter. Okay. So question number 8 is here. Display your formula to check the accuracy. Okay, you can see display. We will display your formula. Okay, to check for accuracy. Point A, on the formula tab in the formula editing group, click the show formula button. Go to the formulas tab. We will find formula editing. Here is the formula editing group and click on show formula button. So when you are ready to continue, hide the formula and display formula value by clicking the show button again. Show formula button again. Okay, go to the formulas tab in the formula editing group, click on show formula button again. So moving on question number 9. In question number 9, define a name range for the total possible point up to the class drop cutoff point. Select cell D7 to R7 in the name box, type possible PTS mid, press enter. Select cell D7 to R7 first. D7 to R7. Okay. This cell is selected. Now in the name box, type possible PTS mid. In the name box, we will type possible PTS mid and we will press enter. And press enter. This question is done. So I am going to do question number 10 of this project. Find out which student have a grade below C at the cutoff point for dropping the class. Enter an if function in cell S10 to check if the student total point divided by the total possible point through the midterm is less than 70%. The lowest percentage for a C grade, use some function within the if function. Be sure to use the range. Okay, be sure to use the range. Use the sum function within the if function. Be sure to use the range your name just defined for possible point. If the student is below a C grade, display warning in the cell, otherwise have the cell blank. Click on cell S10. Click cell S10. On the formula tab in the function library group, click on logical function. Click if necessary, move the function argument dialog so you can see the worksheet data in the logical test argument box. Type sum into D10 to R10 divided by sum possible PTS made less than 70%. Point F is that in the value if true argument box, it's a show warning. Point G, if the value of false argument box, type inverted commas, click OK. The complete formula should look like this. Complete formula is given in the instruction. We will click on cell S10, press is equal to, and enter if statement. If, click if necessary, into logical test sum, value D10 to R10, D10 to R10 into divided by sum into possible PTS made okay, close the bracket, less than 70% and less than 70%, comma and in inverted commas show warning. warning and semicolon, inverted commas, again comma and inverted commas. This is all arithmetic function. We will enter here and then we will press fill the if function and set d as 10 down for all students. Use any method you want. There should be 3 with 1 in the class. Drop cut off point column. We will okay as 26. Question number 11. Find the highest score among all students for each assignment. Click cell D4, type is equal to max into, and then click cell D10 and drag to cell D26, press enter. We will go to cell D4 and we will enter a maximum function. D10 to D26 is the range and press enter. It will be show highest score in cell D4. Okay, press is equal to enter max function into D10 to D26. D10 to D26. So we will press enter. It will be show maximum function. It will be show highest score. Okay, copy the formula across the row cell AP4. Use any method you want. Be sure you leave cell S4 blank. Okay. Copy the function through cell AB4 and okay. Question number 12. Find the lowest score among all students for each assignment. Click on cell D5 enter main function, minimum function. Click on cell D5, press is equal to enter minimum function and D10 to D26 in the range. Enter minimum function into D10 to D26 and we will press enter. It will show minimum score, lowest score. Copy the formula. Copy the formula across the row to cell AB5. Use any method you want. Be sure to leave the cell C5. Okay. This is good. Okay, you can see I have done 80 to 85% of this project in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for this complete class, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the laptop screen. I can do all Microsoft Word, all Microsoft Excel, all Microsoft PowerPoint and all Microsoft Access. Easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. If you need help in any assignment, any exam, any course, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp link and email. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.